In my last video, How to Build a Successful Art Business, I focused on some methods, tools, and tips in order to build a successful art business after working that 9-to-5 job. In this video, I'm going to focus on sustaining and self-preservation, as those are also two important factors in maintaining and building. As many may know, there is more to building a business than the work side. You know, producing the products, marketing, accounting, and customer service. But what most people don't talk about is the need for self-preservation and ability to sustain your business once up and running. Before we get started, be sure to check out my previous video, How to Build a Successful Art Business. You'll find the link to the video in the description. Also, be sure to check out my playlist, Informational Art Videos, for more like this. Number 1. Take breaks. Society may label this as lazy. However, that couldn't be more incorrect, as taking breaks is a sure way to not burn yourself out. Once you're burned out, you begin to lose enthusiasm for the one thing that you love the most. And that's the last thing you want to do. Take as much time as you need, whether this be a couple of hours, days, or for some even months. Once you're refreshed and had time to clear your mind, you'll be ready to jump back in. According to an article on psychologytoday.com, breaks can improve your health and well-being, have a positive impact on decision-making, restore motivation, especially for long-term goals, increase productivity and creativity, and improves memory and ability to learn. Number 2, continue to learn. I emphasized this in my previous video, but it is important to continue to learn and grow with knowledge. This doesn't necessarily have to be intensive or even boring. Try making it fun by watching videos on your favorite painting techniques or joining an art community where you can share ideas and discuss techniques with other artists. Try taking a walk or going to the museum to get inspiration for your own work. Number 3, don't take on more than you can handle. As easy as it is to be a perfectionist or workaholic when it comes to building a business, it is important to know your limits and set reasonable goals for yourself. This can avoid discouragement and guilt. Number 4, maintain a healthy work and home balance. Try not to overwork yourself, as this helps in the long run for you and others around you. Try to have fun, relax, and enjoy family and friends. Sometimes it's mature to also realize when work can wait. Family is precious and valuable too, if not more. And lastly, number 5, try to stay positive. We all have bad days, but try your best to pick yourself up and keep going. Some days, this may be hard to do, but you have many great things ahead of you. Talk to family or loved ones and express your frustrations and concerns. It's good to get things off of your chest, as this releases a weight off of your shoulders. Keep the faith, and it will happen. Any business takes time and patience. I hope these tips help you, fellow artists, and the best of luck on your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out my website at www.etsy.com/shop/Leawayartisans. Follow me on Instagram at bnwart_Leaway or on my Twitter at Leawayartisans.